So what size is this, by the way, fella?
Half size.
Half size. Oh, you got your fire going as well?
Yeah.
But no pressure yet, looking at that. Precious. Oh no, I can just see through that there's a slight crack in the...
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So do you just keep it ticking over then? Just keep a bit of heat in there?
Yeah. Yeah, you just got to keep topping out.
Does it rinse through coal then?
It all depends what you're doing, really.
Well, just for today then, your kind of show, bit of driving around.
It'd be a bag of coal, something like
Oh,
that.
not too bad, 25 kilos.
Yeah, yeah. Bag of coal, and then if you're doing a little bit more, you probably got to be a bag and a half, 2 bags.
So obviously the harder you work it, the more you need, more heat, I'm guessing.
Yeah, if you're running around all day, then you probably could use 2 bags.
So is there a reason it's split rubber and not all?
Not really, just cost.
Right.
It's just really to stop the,
Because it'd wreck the tarmac.
Yeah, well, yeah,
And it's softer.
and also it doesn't do the engine good on the steel. So.
Because of vibration.
Yeah, but yeah, a third band would be a lot more expensive. But...
Right. That's enough for what it does, basically.
Oh yeah. You could get it with just one if you wanted to.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, whether it be on the inside, outside, or whatever.
You wouldn't put it in the centre then?
No, it might look a bit odd, but I've seen full sides, just bits of rubber, any old bits of rubber stuck on here, there, just so they can run on the road, really.
Yeah. Yeah, because obviously mud, it's not such a bad, takes the dampening, gives it the... See, I've seen some, obviously yours is cable in here, the smaller ones have the rope.
No, there should be one wire, unless he's just used the rope.
Right, so I think unless it was unless it was just hidden away and it looked like rope then, to be fair. I might be, obviously I am zero.
He may have put rope on just to make it look like it.
Yeah, because it's not using as a winch. Yeah, got you. So I'm guessing that way, what would you do? Jack it up so the wheels weren't on the floor and then use it as a winch?
No, just pull the pins out.
Right.
Of the wheel there, those 2 pins.
Yep.
And then you can use the winch.
Right, oh, so it disengages this wheel and then it just spins that.
Then you just engage the pin there for the winch here.
Yep.
And then that enables the winch.
Right, okay.
It's just forward and backwards on the engine to let the winch rope in and out.
Right, so, sorry, what's your name?
David.
David, nice gentleman here, David's just explaining how you use the winch on these. So basically, I didn't know obviously, and what you have to do is to use the winch, which is here, and the cables are on there. Rather than, I stupidly said jack it up and leave it off the floor, he's corrected me and said all you do is you pull the 2 pins out, which then disengages the wheel from the hub, and then pull this out here, and then with the drive,
basically back axle is driving the winch.
Yeah, so it makes the rear axle then will spin freely from the wheels, and you use the forward and backwards motion of the engine then, instead of to drive it, to pull the winch. So yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing for me seeing how, what looks like a basic thing is actually technically very clever, and can be fixed at the side of the road rather than having to be plugged into something. And yeah, brilliant.
It's got like a crown one pinion in there.
Yeah.
That you can engage manually, just down here.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
And that drives the shaft and then drives the winch rope up and down on the crane.
Ah, so this spins like a PTO then.
Then you use the engine in forward and reverse.
Yeah.
To drive the winch.
Yeah. So this, as he was just saying to me then, this is exactly the same, but on the front of it, it's a flywheel, isn't it? Basically, a giant flywheel.
Right.
And you disconnect the drive again from the wheels, which then spins the flywheel, which then turns this rod like you would on a PTO on a tractor, which then works the crane. So it's back and forward, so the crane goes up and down. It's, yeah, amazing. Lovely bits of kit. Lovely bits of kit. Thank you very much. Cheers, fella. Ah, what a day. What a day.